Made it to Osaka. We in Excel. Osaka Excel Hotel, which is fire. Nice vibes. We got a crazy view. We're on like the 7th floor. The reception was on the 16th. That's also where they had a bar section. Man, look at that. Oh man, we gonna have us a great old time. Tokyo was amazing, but Osaka finna be greater. We got the beans in the corner. You know what I'm saying? I put her in timeout because she don't know how to listen. But we are about to go and unpack a little bit, unwind. We heading right back out. Train ride was awesome too, by the way.
Can I lay on the bed now? Just for like a second.
Sure.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
She asked me for permission. Yeah, vibes. But yeah, the train ride was cool. It was a great experience. We got lost though. It was definitely like a little frustrating at first, but we managed to do it. But yeah, we're gonna check back in once we got some vibes going. Dotonbori. We here, man. It's vibes. Great food we just had.
Great drink.
We've barely been vlogging, honestly. We've been taking mad photos and videos.
You've been taking mad photos and
videos. Well, we're here now, right? Famous location. The running man. Running man.
He do be running. I just don't know when.
And I actually lost my my dead cat, my wind muffler, my microphone.
Oh.
Very upset about that.
It's okay. It's not windy anymore, so amen.
That's not the point. I spent $12 on it.
$12?
Cheapest microphone.
Oh, I mean it's $12.
Anyways, in Osaka, we're gonna be here for 4 days, and we're gonna be taking day trips to Kyoto, Nara. So you know the Shinsekai was lit. I think I said that last video, but it's all good.
I had this really good drink, and let me say, don't get any more drinks because we'll be going somewhere else. I would like to know where somewhere else is because that drink was bomb.
I lied.
Liar beans.
I just wanted to get out of there, take some photos. That's what I wanted to do.
That's why I was like, let me go to 7-Eleven or Family Mart and get. It was like a wine in a can. That shit was lit.
Yeah, but don't we got that out at the hotel?
No, we don't.
Oh, the hotel? Fire. Fuego. Fuego.
Okay, where are we going?
We're gonna go stay here, take some flicks until I'm satisfied.
I need a drink.
Alright, we're gonna catch y'all later.
good seats. Yeah. Taste test. Taste test.
Okay. I know how the cookie tastes.
Yeah, taste test. Actually, wait, come on this side.
Yeah, everybody.
Yeah, I feel like we're trapped in a corner. Alright, taste test. It's looking good. It's looking good. It looks fire. How it tastes?
Real good.
Yeah, I got mine right here. Pablo's. All right. I want to get a taste of mine here. Right. See what it's like. What's like.
After that, I want to bite. Switch bites. No, we gotta switch.
Yeah, I'm gonna take yours first. Since you got the camera.
Okay. Really good.
Kind of like mine more, to be honest. Yeah. Mine said, yours has like a little twang to it. Can't
Yeah, but
explain it.
this jelly, strawberry jelly, really good.
Yeah. Strawberry jelly doesn't look great. But we're in still in Osaka. We're headed straight down to Shinsekai, then Town, a couple shrines. Great time. Day 2 in Osaka. After that, next day, it's gonna be very, very sunny out. We're headed straight to Kyoto. And I can't wait. Until then, catch you guys.
Give me something, give me some. 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 Give me something, give me some.
We got grapes. Yep. Don't know what the caramel is, I'm guessing. We're gonna take a bite.
Well, it's sugar.
Oh god, this is like candy.
Yeah, it's hard.
Like glass.
Is it good though?
You gotta rest.
All right, give me.
You see the vibes? I might just cop. I don't know, maybe. I got nothing but sugar on my hands. Guess this is bad.
Give me something, give me some.